I'm Matthew Holt. You can find me online at, a bunch of places. I'm at Bolty Boy. I also am the co-founder and co-chairman of the Health 2.0 conference, which is health2con.com and at health2con Twitter. And also I am the founder, chairman, owner, and occasional author on the healthcare blog, which is the healthcareblog.com and at THCB staff. Not the world's most easy to remember Twitter handle, but there you go, that's me.
So what is Health 2.0, Matt?
So David, Health 2.0 got defined very well by Indu. I've given up on trying to define it myself. Indu defined it beautifully. She said there were three things happening in Health 2.0. Right? One is the technology, which is largely software in the cloud, software as a service-based delivery of easily adaptable technology with APIs. The second is Health 2.0 is intensely focused, what she calls a staunch focus on design and usability. And the third is use of data, increasingly big data, but data coming from all different parts. And I have this notion increasingly of data of the devices and the tools and the websites and everything else we're using being just a representation of the data, which whether it be text data or information or content or hardcore data that's floating out there in the cloud, that's coming down, being both used by patients and also to having patients use those devices to push it back out to the cloud and with intelligence behind it.
So we're talking about data. What are you doing to liberate health data?
What am I doing? Well, I'm just a guy who throws parties, so not that much, but I do. The parties I throw, which involve, the healthcare blog and then within the Health 2.0 conference and all the other stuff we're doing, I would say, one is giving a forum so that people can talk about these issues, promoting it, in some ways cheerleading, because, I think we all agree it's such a vitally important topic. And the second thing is, within some of the work that Health 2.0 is now doing, we are, as part of a subcontract to ONC, promoting this Investing in Innovations program, which is a series of competitions. The Health 2.0 Developer Challenge has both the government but also many private sector organizations giving prizes, and many of those prizes are to do with the creating applications, creating mobile apps, and all kinds of other stuff which use data from various different sources to make it easier to use. So, basically, I am a cheerleader for this, a host for parties for this, and just a big proponent of the more data, the easier to move data around, the better. Because in the end, the more you can move data through the data utility layer, through a series of permission brokers, and back and forth to what I call these platforms, all the devices and applications and all that stuff, the closer you get to the end result, which is better health decisions made. And hopefully people not eating ice cream, 4 in the afternoon when they shouldn't be. If I had a bit of data telling me how much this last bite of ice cream was gonna kill me, I would probably stop. Although I did get some. The last one is I did get my cholesterol put through Thomas Getz' new 1-to-1 labs, and although it's pretty high, so apparently it wasn't bad, because it's my good cholesterol that's too high, not my bad cholesterol. So I'm feeling quite good about that.
Glad to hear it. Thank you, Matthew.
Thanks, David.